Hello everyone, let's start the class again with some new kanjis. The first kanji we are going to do today is the kanji of cow. First, second, third. This kanji represent cow, sometimes also the cattle. This reads a ushi, and another reading is gyu. So when we say the cow walk, the cattle walk slowly, we can say ushi ga yukkuri arukimasu. We can use ushi ga yukkuri arukimasu. The cattle walks slowly. And the word gyu, we can make gyu new, which means milk. We can also make gyu niku, which means beef. So it is beef. So this is the kanji for cow. Next is kanji of ear. First, second, third. This is the kanji for toshi. This means ear. Another reading is nen. So we can ask someone, what is your age? Otoshi wa ikutsu desu ka? Or watashi wa kotoshi, this year I will be old. Okay, so this year I will be 20-year-old. If we want to say, so this year will be kotoshi. Kotoshi watashi wa hatachi, which is 20-year-old, ni narimasu. Narimasu means to become. So I'll become. Kanji of kotoshi will be the kanji of ima and toshi. So kotoshi watashi wa hatachi is 20, and sign for year is this in case of age. So this represents the age. Hatachi ni narimasu. And another reading is nen. So when we say kyonen or shonen, which means a boy, or seinen gappi, the date of birth, that is seinen gappi. Sei, the kanji which did was the kanji of umareru. This is sei, to take birth, umaremasu. Nen, and then gappi is basically gatsu, and pi is he. So this means date of birth. So to take birth, the year, the month, and the day. So that is the date of birth. And we can also make rainen. Rainen means the next year, the coming year. and rai is kimas and nen is the year. So this is rainen. Kyonen is the past year. So there are many vocabulary which we can be made nen. Next kanji is the kanji of mai, which means earlier or before. First, second, third. Kanji of tsuki or so this is mai, or another reading is zen. It means before or in front. When we say Saturday comes before the Sunday, so we can say, or the Monday Saturday comes before the Sunday. So nichi yobi no mai wa doyobi desu. Nichiyobi no mae wa doyobi desu. So Saturday comes before the Sunday. And we also use this kanji with name. When we say namae, it is this kanji of na or me and then mai. So this is namae, name. Or when we say this bus stops in front of the school, suppose we want to say this bus stops in front of the school. So this bus will be kono basu wa gakko no mae ni mae ni tomarimasu. In front of the school. So next kanji is ushiro. The reading of this kanji is oshiro. First reading is oshiro. It means back, behind, or after, or ato. So these means ato usually used for after. So when we say please look at the back, so we can say oshiro o mite kudasai. Oshiro mite kudasai. Please look back. Or when we say ato, ato 1 jikan desu. So hereafter you are left with 1 hour. Or watashi wa ato de kimasu. I'll come after. No? Or if you want to use like oshiro, then there is a park behind my house. So my house will be uchi no ushiro. We can use kanjis here. Uchi no ushiro ni park is koen ga arimasu. And if you want to use ato, we can say please call me later. Okay, so later can be ato de. Ato de denwa shite kudasai. Denwa shite kudasai. So please call me later. This ato can be the kanji. So here it is ato de. Ato de denwa shite kudasai. Please call me after. Next kanji is the kanji of han. First, second, fourth. So this is the kanji which is read as han. Another reading is nakaba. So when we say what is the time now, and it is 5:30. So when we say it is 5:30 now, so this 5:30 is 5:30. So in Japanese it will be ima go ji han desu. So it will be ima go ji han desu. So this han represent half. And if you want to say the half portion will be hambun. And we can use it with when we are dividing some chocolate between the siblings. We can say eat half of this sweets to and share this sweet with your brother. So share this sweet means do it in the half. Okay, then kono okashi. Oh, brother is ototo. Ototo to hambun zutsu. Hambun. This bun is portion. So half. Basically divide. Hambun zutsu tabenasai. So this kanji of han represents half. We can say hambun to mention half portion. So divide this sweet into two. Divide the sweet into half. So kono okashi o hambun ni wakete kudasai. Okay, so hambun is half portion. So we'll do the kanji still here and then continue with what we have done in the last class. In the last class we did Tara pattern with verbs. So let's quickly revise the verbs Tara pattern. If it rains, I will not go out. Okay, so rain is ame. Amega futara dekakemasen. Or the next example we can take is when it is summer vacation. When it is summer vacation, I'll return to my country. When it is summer vacation, so Natsu Yasumi ni Natsu Yasumi ni Natara. Natara has come from Narimas. The form is Nata, and then we made Natara. Natsuyasumi ni Natara kuni e kairimasu. Kuni e kairimasu. Next is when I return home, I take shower. When I return home, I take shower. So home is again uchi. Uchi e kaetara. Uchi e kaetara. Shower. Shawa o abimasu. Shawa o abimasu. Uchi e kaetara shawa o abimasu. So here tara is when I return. Kairimasu to return. Ta form will be kaeta, and this is how we have added ra here. It has become kaetara. Now we'll learn how to use it with the E-type adjective. E-type adjective. First let's write few. Atsui, Yasui, or Muzukashi. So we'll make just cut E and add katara. Atsu katara. Yasui, yasu katara. Muzukashi, muzukashi katara. Now we'll make a sentence. When it is hot, I drink cold coffee, or I drink cold drink. Atsukattara, or I take juice, something like that. So atsukattara, when it is hot. Or when it is hot, I take my umbrella. I take my umbrella. So how will we make? So atsukattara kasa. Kasa is umbrella. Kasa o motte ikimasu. So when it is hot, I take my umbrella. Kasa o motte ikimasu. or when it is hot, I drink cold drink. Okay, I drink cola, or any cold drink in Japan is called kora. So atsukattara kora o nomimasu. Atsukattara kora o nomimasu. When it is cheap. So let's make the sentence with yasui. Yasui is cheap. So when it is cheap, I buy. Yasukattara. When it is cheap, I buy. Okay, so yasukattara, I buy will be kaimasu. Yasukattara kaimasu. Then muzukashi means difficult. When it is difficult, I practice every day. Muzukashi kattara mainichi renshu shimasu. So in case it is difficult, I practice every day. Renshu is to practice. Mainichi is every day. So this is how we use it with E type adjective. Now the Na type adjective, such as hima, shizuka. So hima is free time, leisure time. So hima will change into hima dattara. Okay. Hima dattara nani o shimasu ka? You can ask a question. Hima dattara nani o shimasu ka? When you have free time, what you do? You can say hima dattara eiga o mimasu. Hima dattara eiga o mimasu. I watch movie. Okay, if I'm free, I read novel or I read books. Hima dattara hon o yomimasu. Now the next is shizuka. Shizuka means quiet. It is again Na type adjective. Shizuka dattara. So it will be when library is quiet, I study there, or when my reading hall is quiet, I go there. Or if that person is quiet, I would like to talk to him. Shizuka is also used for people, like shizuka na hito desu, that person is quiet. So if a person is quiet, I would like to talk to him. So how would you say? Hito ga shizuka dattara if a person is quiet, or when a person is quiet. When the person is quiet, so I would like to meet him. Aitai desu. Aitai desu. Okay. So in all these sentences, watashi wa is hidden. You can use watashi wa here. Here also you can use watashi wa. Watashi wa hito ga shizuka dattara aitai desu. So when the speaker is itself present, Japanese avoid putting watashi wa in every sentences. Hito ga shizuka dattara aitai desu. Or tokoro ga shizuka dattara yasumitai desu. If the place is quiet, suppose I want to say, if the place is quiet, I would like to take some rest. If the place, or if in the park, when the park is quiet, I want to walk. So park is koen. Koen ga shizuka dattara. Koen ga shizuka dattara arukitai desu, or sanpo ni ikitai desu. Arukitai desu. Arukimasu means to walk. Arukitai will be want to walk. So now we'll do it with the nouns. Just now we did ame ga furimasu, which means rain. We can also use simply with ame. Ame means rain. So ame. Or we can also use it, suppose a student. So gakusei. So if it rains, I stay home. So when it rains, I stay at home. Ame dattara. Ame will change into ame dattara. So with noun it is dattara. So ame dattara. When it rains, nobody come. Dare mo kimasen. Ame dattara dare mo kimasen. When it rains, nobody come. Okay. Now student. So here you can see that second action is actually dependent upon the first action. So it will happen only after this, the first action takes place. So that is why Tara pattern is also translated as, or seems as, after. And gakusei is again student, right? So if you are a student, you will it is free for you. Okay, if I want to say, when it is student, it is free, maybe. Okay, it is free. So gakusei dattara muryō desu. Gakusei dattara muryō is free, free of cost. So this is how we can use with noun. Noun plus dattara. Here na type adjective plus dattara. With e type, cut e and add kattara. And with the verb, it is always ta form and add ra. So futtara dekakemasen. When it rains, I don't go out. So we'll do till here today, and we'll continue in the next class. Thank you.